Hey, welcome to the demo video for Vydora AI, and this is the very first AI video creator that can produce videos in high CPM niches. You will discover many topics, you will locate the title, the scripts, visuals, everything ready to go, and it will rank this on YouTube. So I'm going to show you exactly how to start. First, click on Create a Video, and here you can select your language. There are over 29 languages, including French, Hindi, Chinese, Korean, Arabic, Greek, Spanish, along with many other languages from around the world. And then you select one of the high RPM niches or high CPM niches, such as finance, making money online, technology, or e-commerce, and you can even have a custom keyword. You are able to produce videos within your chosen niche or subject area. In this example, I will choose a topic, for instance, real estate and the process of buying a home. Additionally, you may pick sub-niches if you wish. Suppose we focus on first-time home buyer guides. From this point, we will now generate 10 potential ideas. Okay, so here we have 10 ideas for our topic, and we have an AI ranking predictor, which will score your ideas according to several criteria that collectively indicate how easy it is to rank them on YouTube. So here are the few carefully recommended options that score above 8. And if you don't like these ideas, you may go ahead and regenerate these ideas once again if you wish. So for this, I will pick this topic. Let's move forward to next step. Let's continue. We can pick the video format, 16:9 for YouTube. You can have a 1-minute video, a 3-minute video, a 5-minute video, or a 20-minute video, depending on your plan, as needed of course. There are more than 25 kinds of script styles. Okay, for this we are going to do a 3-minute video, so it won't take long, quite simply. And what kind of script would we like today? Let's say we want it to be an authoritative video. I'll select Expert and we'll generate the script. Alright, right here your script is fully prepared and it really looks wonderful. You may edit it if you wish. Alright, that should be good to proceed right now. If you'd like, you can rewrite it. It will generate a fresh, new script, then click Continue once we have that locked in. And if you'd like to choose an avatar for your video, you may pick one of the avatars shown. If you don't want any avatar, you can even switch it off. So we are going to select an avatar for this demo. These kind of videos are very powerful. I've seen avatar videos, the exact kind of videos that we are going to create in this demo, that are doing very well on YouTube and people are making a lot of money. Okay, let's first select an avatar. For real estate, let's see who can suit. Okay, I would like to use Aria, please. And now you can adjust, for example, where your avatar will appear on the screen. You can center it, place it at the bottom left, or divide the bottom area into 2 equal halves. Let's choose this option. This setup provides picture-in-picture. In this layout, the avatar will be the main focus, and she will be shown inside a round frame. So I will select this one, setting the layout to 2x3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Let us choose the voice option that suits us. Is there a voice option available for this purpose? If so, let us select this one. Please click Continue to proceed. And here we stand at this point. Thus, this is what you will see as a preview. From this screen, whatever actions we take, we can watch the real-time preview of our video and observe exactly how it appears on screen. Therefore, I am going to choose AI scene backgrounds, and there are as many as 20 distinct styles available. Based on the plan you have chosen, you are free to select any single option from these choices. Okay, so for this, let's select Pixar style or cyberpunk, sci-fi. Let's go with Pixar. Okay, Auto Smart Split. It will automatically create images for every single sentence. Okay, it's smart. You don't need to do anything. If you want to give any instructions, type it in here. If you want to keep the identical character throughout the entire video, simply switch it on. These are a few advanced settings for higher quality. I will simply keep it the same. And now I'm going to go ahead and create scene images here. So it's going to take a little bit of time since we have 44. 44 scenes generated for this particular video. It is going to take some time, and once your scenes are completed, we are going to check out the other things. Okay, so all of the scenes are ready right now. You may view a preview of them here if you wish. Okay, or you can also view the scenes here and you don't have to use the same scene if you prefer. If you want to regenerate it, you can regenerate it. If you would like a different kind of image of your own, you can upload it here, or you can explore the library. You can search for stock images or stock video that you may freely use for your projects. And these are the scenes we have built so far, and you can adjust the avatar's position for each individual scene if you'd like, for future tweaks. For example, I'd like this to appear on this side. Okay, so for the second scene, she will be over here, and that's quite remarkable indeed. It's really impressive. This is one of the most intelligent scene creators I've seen anywhere today. Then caption. If you would like to turn it off, you can go and switch it off. If you want to switch it on, you can select the styles. We have some very trending styles here. Classic, popular, so crazy. This is the current style. Let's go with this particular one. Okay, you can customize it to your liking. You can alter the color, glow, stroke, or any other detail you want. You can freely adjust its position as you see fit. Next comes the music section. You can adjust some of our very predefined music, and you can select a volume level that you prefer now. Thereafter, you can proceed to choose the transition. And if you wish to incorporate your own logo, you may do that as well, whenever you like, at any time now. So I'm going to adjust the position on the x-axis a bit. Okay, if you'd like to include a call to action as well, you can go ahead and do that. Alright, so now once you're satisfied with the video, you can proceed to render this video. That's basically all there is to it. Okay, before I render this video, I'm going to show you a few more useful things while it's rendering, okay? Here you can generate the search engine optimization package for your video. It includes title, descriptions, tags, keywords, and things that you can just copy, go to YouTube, paste it there, and it will help you rank your videos better and get more visibility and traffic. And this, we can readily generate thumbnails directly within the app. Okay, so here are the title options we have to choose from. And this is a description that already includes the keywords and the related keywords integrated inside it. Then you also have all the tags that you can use for quick reference as needed. You have all the keywords available for use, and these are the ideas for the thumbnails. If you'd like, we can feature her face on the thumbnail. If you don't want that, we won't use it. So let us generate one of the thumbnails. There are 3 types of thumbnails, each based on fear, curiosity, and opportunity. These choices help shape how viewers react when they see the thumbnail. This is the headline text. So we just made this one, and we will see how it turns out right now. So here the thumbnail has been generated, and it looks really great. You can simply use it right there. If you would like to regenerate it, you can do that as well. If you want to view the image prompt, you can go ahead and copy it, then paste it into any other image generation platform to use. Okay, alright. And then we can take her face and create one more image. Okay, so that thumbnail is ready. And if you don't like it, just redo. It will craft a better thumbnail for you. So let's go back to see if the video is created. Okay, we did not submit for rendering, so I'm going to submit for rendering, and it's going to take some time and your video will be ready. Thank you so very much. I hope you like this video.